of the EFC. So we've got expected family contribution. So let's just say that cost of attendance for a school is $50,000. And your EFC, out of all the calculations, and we'll talk about this in a little bit, what goes into those calculations. Let's say your EFC is $25,000. Okay? So your defined need is $50,000 minus $25,000, which is $25,000. Okay, so the school says, okay, the Smith family, you can pay $25,000, and then you've got this other $25,000 that's your defined need. This is not what the college necessarily is going to give you. As a matter of fact, most of the time the college is not going to give you that. There's very few that meet 100% of need. But what happens is they take that need number and they say, okay, we, on average, let's say, meet 70% of need. And so they'll say, well, we will meet 70% of that need with, let's say, a grant. What's the difference between a grant and a scholarship? A grant is need-based. Doesn't have to be paid back, but it's need-based. A scholarship is a merit scholarship, right? So if you're an athlete or academically, if your grades are a certain level, your test scores are a certain level, you can get a merit scholarship. That's not based on financial need, and scholarships don't have to be paid back either. Then, of course, there's loans, right? We all know loans you need to pay back. So you've got this need out there. The financial aid office then looks at it and says, we'll meet about 70% of need. And some may do it all in grants. Some may say, we'll meet 70% of need with grants and loans, right? It just depends. There's some schools that meet 100% of need, and there's some schools that meet 30% of need. Hence why all colleges are not created equal.